guys, today another video is brought to you by Everyday Take for Today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about Canon Powershot G7X Mark III. I want to see its ability and explore it a little bit more. It is smart, it is small, it is social. If you're a vlogger or somebody who loves taking pictures, or if you want to take your phone to a new level, this camera is made up for you. First of all, it does live streaming directly to YouTube. It does vertical video shopping. It's the size of palm of your hand. It has 20.1 megapixel 1.8 inch stacked CMOS sensor and a lot more. You can see all its abilities down below. It has a stacked SMOs, frames, a microphone, a star, self-portrait, all of that. The 4K panoramic shot, USB charging, the creative assistant, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, tilt and touch LCD, and all of that. Now I want to talk about this specific 20.1 megapixel 1.0 stacked CMOS sensor. So the PowerShot G7X Mark III camera basically features this new 1.0 inch 20.1 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor that makes a high image quality, high performance, delivers gorgeous pictures, detailed images. It is fast and continuous shooting, and it's autofocus. So it's really important. It just makes your life a lot more easier. Next slide, we have the DGIS image processor that basically helps produce high image quality in fast operation even in the low light. When you're using a high ISO setting, the image processor keeps the result so it keeps the result sharp, virtual lighting situation, and ensures your photos and videos look sharp with the minimal noise or grain. So just make sure everything has the perfect quality. Now it has optical zoom lens, 4.2x optical zoom lens. With this optical zoom lens, it'll make sure that your photo is awesome with the conjunction with the camera sensor and then the processor. The photo will be sharp, it will be edge to edge, it will be awesome, it will be wide angle, and you can take it the way you want it. The 4K 30p video with the help of the DGIS 8 image processor and the stacked CMOS sensor, enjoy the recording non-cropped 4K movies with the full HD that you can show it everywhere you want is really important. It's kind of like you're in cinema. And then it has an ideal for the FHD 120p video. Is ideal for smooth slow motion playbacks. If you're somebody who does photographs, this is made for you. The touch panel LCD screen and the tilt of 180 for the selfie. So it is the way that it is so able and it's so easy to tilt it that you can just put it in front of you, start doing your job on YouTube, and then post it afterwards, and everything is gonna be just fine. Or you can just go live on YouTube. So yes, we want to talk about live streaming cable. You can do it live on YouTube. You can share it with everybody else with this camera, and you can connect your phone to YouTube. If you're a vertical video support, so if you're somebody who loves taking vertical photos, this is made for you because this is not specifically, but it's more for vertical photos. So yep, good job. And then the USB charge power supply compatible. So the PowerShot, this is basically compatible of the USB power adapter PDE-1 and then the camera charging USB that features the industry USB connector. The optional USB power adapter PDE-1 makes it easy for charging and removing. It has extra microphone input just so that it will make your sound a lot more clear while you are taking the pictures. And then it has a clean HDMI output, so Whether you're creating inspiring video clips, capturing amazing occasions, the advanced capabilities of this can basically do whatever they want. They can do richly detailed, large screen, HDTV with a camera. Everything is under control. You can connect your phone via Bluetooth to kind of like start the process. And then you can also do um, basically connecting to Wi-Fi both of you, so you can transfer the pictures over. So you can talk about the type. The total pixels are like 20.9 pixel, while the used ones are 20.1. The focus depth is 8.8 width and is 36.8 tall. Optical zoom is approximately 4.2x, while the digital zoom is 4x. It has different focusing gauge. Autofocus system is TTL, autofocus and ventral focus. So basically, overall, we have a 30-inch health type TFT color liquid crystal with the back salted for low and high angle shooting and approximately 1.04 million dots in the LCD pixel, and then LCD coverage is approximately 100%. So it's so fast, it's really easy, it measures everything, the pictures are great, everything is awesome. These are some pictures that can be taken by this. Overall, if you're a vlogger, YouTuber, photographer, and this is the awesome camera for you. If you're a person who prefers vertical position for pictures, this is also a camera for you. While watching this video, I'm assuming that most of you want to buy this. So what I recommend is going to this Amazon link here, ordered in the description down below, to order your own. Maybe you don't know, maybe you might end up with some new orders. And the resources I used were usa.canon.com, so you can make sure all the data I used were completely reliable and correct, and you don't have anything else to worry about.
It's Mike from Mike Visuals. I'm a travel filmmaker, and here in Isle of Skye with Canon, it's going to be an amazing adventure with the G7X Mark III, and we're in a perfect playground to test it out. So let's do this. Alright, so we made it here, a quick pit stop to test out the slow motion capabilities, recording, quarter speed internally, and the waterfall is the perfect subject to do that. I love that the G7X Mark III has a built-in mic jack, so I can plug in my professional mic, really increases the production value, no background noise, and I can just be reassured that I'm getting clean audio for the vlog. So the Isle of Skye has incredible views all around, and one of the ways I love to capture it is through time lapses. The G7X has an internal time lapse feature, and it's so quick and easy to use, and this is the result. Alright, so we've just made it to this really nice small town, and we're going to switch the G7X 4K point just to capture some detail. Right, next stop, time for this amazing castle and testing out the low light capabilities on the G7X Mark III. Alright, so they've kindly given us access after hours to explore all of the rooms, and the sun is getting pretty low, so we're going to bump the ISO up to 3200, keep the aperture quite low to around 1.8, and let's see what we can find. Alright, and that's a wrap in the Isle of Skye. Although we haven't had the best weather conditions, I've had a lot of fun using the G7X Mark III. It's just so portable and versatile in any situation we've thrown it in, and I can't wait to take it on my next adventure.